Halo, Miss.
Halo, ya I can hear you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everybody.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Miss.
Miss Ella.
Thank you for Francis Risman, Sis Rizky, and everybody who answered my salam. Okay, so how's life, guys? How's life?
Also, Miss.
Is it great? Great, okay. Okay, so I'm really sorry for letting 2 minutes because I just finished before this class. Okay, is there any question atau maybe is there any difficulties for downloading the recording? Hello?
Yes, how about recording, Miss?
I've sent it, Sis Alice.
Oh, already?
Yes, I've sent it
Oh, outstanding. Okay, okay.
in the morning.
Okay, I will be check.
Okay, I advise you to I recommend you to download as soon as possible, yeah, because it can expire on 2 days. So yes,
um, okay. In group or
in our group, Sis Ais.
till there isn't, yeah, I think.
Please scroll down, scroll up, sis.
Okay. Oh,
Di
okay, okay,
atasnya,
okay.
di atasnya sis Cece speaking partner yang kirim di
Oh,
atas.
okay, okay. Okay.
Okay, so yesterday we've learned about what's that about introduction ya guys ya. So maybe buat teman-teman nanti yang belum practice kemarin ya, I give you time for 5 minutes to practice. Introduce yourself. Okay, so maybe I would like to call Sis Louise. Hello, Sis Louise.
Yes, Sis Ella.
Okay, so could you introduce yourself? Do you need the PowerPoint yesterday?
Sorry, what do you say?
Could you introduce yourself?
Okay. Wait a minute. Malam udah loh, Miss. Sis. Hi, partners. Good evening, all. Let me tell you about myself. I am Luisita Stumeang. You can call me as simple as Luis. I work at home as an admin. My age is 27 years old. For spending my leisure time by playing games and
And then sis?
yes, finish.
Okay. By spending your playing games, spending
Uh,
time with playing games.
yes.
Okay, uh, so what about why do you take this course? Why did you take
Uh,
this course?
what's this? What do you say?
Why did you take this course? Sis
Uh,
Louise?
I'm taking this class because I want to be able to speak English.
So what's your goals?
My goals is uh, I think same, yeah, for to be able to speak English.
Oh, okay, okay. So that's really nice to hear that, Sis Louis. Sis Louis, benar ya?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so nice to meet you, Sis Louis.
Nice to meet you too, Sis Ella.
Next, maybe let's continue for the next. Oh, we have 2 minutes again. I'd like to call hello, Sis Rema Ashril Wasila. Sis, there. Hello.
Halo sis, good evening.
Oh, good evening. Okay. Okay, could you introduce yourself, sis?
Okay. Hello guys, my name is Rema Ashril Wasila. You can call me Rema or anything else. And I work in preschool teacher. And I'm graduate from State University Islamic Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. And spending my leisure time, usually I love to watch Korean drama or Chinese drama. Apa lagi Kak? Miss.
So, why did you take this course and what's your goals by the end of this course? I'm taking this course because
I'm taking this course because I feel the need because sekarang tuh kayak
nowadays,
nowadays mas language English gitu.
oh, English is important.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, and then
And then I want to next master degree.
oh, okay, I want to take
master degree, yeah,
in my future.
yeah. Thank you, Miss.
Alright, Sis Rema. So, keep fighting, okay, Sis Rema.
Yeah, Miss. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so for the next, hello guys. Halo buat teman-teman yang baru join. Halo Sis Shifan, Sis Nia, Sis Lina, ya Bro Age, Bro Zain. Halo Sis Risma.
Halo Miss.
Sis siapa lagi yang baru join ya? Sis Biba, Sis Vinaya, Sis Naya, Viva and friends ya Bro Angga, Bro Andre, Sis Jenny, Abi, Sis Risma, and many others. So today is our second meeting. So we're gonna discuss about culinary, atau kuliner ya. Okay, so let's start it to learn a part of our material karena nanti ada sebenarnya ada video yang cukup panjang according to me ya. Talk about food or culinary. So what comes to your mind, guys? Please try to answer. What comes to your mind when someone say about culinary? Is it about food or about flavor or about nutrition or about choosing? So what is Which one do you choose? Yang mana yang teman-teman pilih? Kalau ada seseorang yang bilang kuliner, apa yang ada di benak teman-teman?
And the flavor.
Flavor,
I
oh
think
rasa ya, flavor.
The foods.
I think the food.
Oh, right, a food.
The viral food.
Viral food, nice.
I think it's the taste.
The taste, is it delicious or no?
Yes.
No one answer about nutrition ya.
For
I
me,
say nutrition it
it's
is.
about
Oh
money.
ya, sorry,
number.
berarti Stella nggak denger ya. Oke,
If
tapi
we are hungry, we must take a food.
take a food. Yeah. Commonly, in our class, answer food or flavor, and there is the unique one. It's viral food. Viral food. Yeah. Jadi biasanya sekarang kan sudah there are many food vlogger. There are many food vlogger in what's that in social media, right? So recommend some food or some chosen. So after this, let's watch this video. Tapi nanti sepertinya Sis Ella kasih kita tonton 5 minutes saja ya. Actually the video there are 30 minutes. So I think it's spend our time to discuss. So we just watch 5 minutes only. And after I watch the video, let's discuss. Nanti videonya mungkin istilah agak cepat kan. Okay, so Sis Ella is in mute all first to hear this video.
Hi, I'm Ollie. Welcome to Oxford Online English. In this lesson, you can learn how to talk about food. You'll see how to talk about different cuisines, talk about food you like or dislike, and talk about cooking and eating habits.
To see more free English lessons, visit our website, oxfordonlineenglish.com. You can also book English classes with our fully qualified teachers who can help you with your English speaking, writing, IELTS preparation, or whatever else you need.
Don't forget to turn on the subtitles for this video if you need them. All our videos have English subtitles. You can turn them on now. Just click the CC button in the bottom right of the video player. On a smartphone, tap the settings icon to turn on subtitles.
What kind of food do you like?
I like a bit of everything, really. I grew up in the UK and you can get food from all over the world there. My mum's cooking is a combination of different cuisines, a bit of French, a bit of Italian, a bit of Indian, and so on.
What's British cuisine like? I know about fish and chips, but there must be more.
There is, but not that much. There are a few famous dishes like shepherd's pie or Sunday roast, but most people eat a mix of things. What about you? What food do you like?
I'm half Spanish, so when I was young, we ate a lot of Mediterranean food at home. Now I live in Berlin, and it's a pretty cosmopolitan place, so you can get all kinds of food, like the UK, I suppose.
I've never really had much Spanish food. Is it similar to Italian?
In some ways, yes. They both use a lot of fresh ingredients, and there's a lot of seafood, salads, and so on. Pasta isn't so common in Spanish cooking, though.
What are some typical Spanish dishes? I'd be interested to try some.
I guess paella is quite well known. My personal favorite is a dish called albondigas, which is meatballs in a tomato sauce. It's simple, but so tasty.
Sounds good.
Here's a question. Do you know the difference between the words cuisine, dish, and meal? Cuisine means the kind of food you find in a specific country or culture. For example, you have Chinese cuisine, French cuisine, local cuisine, and so on. Cuisine means something like cooking style. You can use the word food or cooking in the same way. So you can say Chinese cuisine, Chinese cooking, or Chinese food. The meaning is very close.
A dish means something which is cooked or prepared. Usually, a dish is made from different kinds of food. A meal is food eaten at a specific time. Most people eat 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We often hear English learners make mistakes with these 3 words, so be careful with them.
In the dialogue, you heard how to talk about different cuisines and dishes which you like. Look at some questions you heard. Think about how you could answer these.
When you answer these questions, try to be detailed. For example, don't just say, Vietnamese food is delicious. Give some more details. Say what kind of dishes are the best, or try to explain why you like it. For example, you could say, Vietnamese food is delicious because it uses fresh ingredients and it's a little bit spicy, which I like. Okay? Pause the video and try to answer the questions now.
Could you do it? If not, go back and listen to the dialogue again. Next, let's look at how to talk about food you like, or don't.
I used to be a corporate lawyer.
I was a housewife.
I was a lecturer.
I took the courage to switch career from a corporate comfort zone.
SDBBA course has helped me to find this remote job.
So, what do you think?
Oh no, this is terrible.
Really?
First, you haven't cooked the meat long enough. It's tough and really chewy. You need to keep cooking it until it's tender.
I cooked it for 2 hours, just like you said.
Yes, but you also have to check that it's done. Also, these vegetables are awful. They're mushy because you've overcooked them. They should be fresh and crunchy.
Right. What about the sauce?
It's not bad, but it's a little bland. A dish like this should be rich, spicy, and a little sour. While you're cooking, don't forget to taste it and add more spices or more vinegar or whatever it needs.
Okay. I'm a little scared to show you my dessert now.
Ah, wow, this is amazing.
Oh, you mean it?
Yes, it's a perfect tart. It's crumbly but not dry, which is a difficult balance to get right. The fruit gives a nice tangy flavor. Very tasty.
Thank you. To describe something you ate, you could start with the flavor. For example, you can use words like spicy, sour, sweet, bitter, or rich. Rich can be used to describe heavier foods. You also heard bland in the dialogue. Bland describes something which has little or no flavor. Then you could also describe the texture. In the dialogue, you heard the word mushy. Do you know what this means?
Mushy means something that is soft, but in an unpleasant way. If you cook vegetables too long, they'll get mushy. In the dialogue, you also heard tough, chewy, tender, crunchy, and crumbly. Can you think of foods which these words could describe? Tough and chewy are similar. Both describe foods which are difficult to eat because you have to chew them for a long time. Meat can be tough or chewy, especially if it's cooked too long and it gets dry.
Tender means something like soft, but it's mostly used to describe meat which is cooked well so it's soft and juicy.
Crunchy foods make a lot of noise when you're eating them. Dry food, like potato chips or hard cookies, can be crunchy.
Crumbly food is soft and easily breaks into pieces. Crumbly can be good or bad. For a cake, it might be a good thing, but crumbly bread could be bad because it will fall apart when you try to do anything with it.
If you like the taste of something, you can use general adjectives like great, amazing, or fantastic. You can also use tasty or delicious. Be careful. Delicious is a strong adjective. That means you can't say very delicious. If you want to add emphasis, say really delicious or absolutely delicious.
To talk about food you don't like, use general adjectives like awful, terrible, or disgusting. Now, a challenge for you. Think about the last thing you ate. Could you describe it? Talk about the flavor,
Okay.
the texture, and whether you like.
So I think for the link, I have to share it in our group. So after this class, you can with that you can listen and watch the video because it's too long. Okay, so let's discuss about this video, guys. What do you get from this video between the differences between chosen milk and choose milk and what's that dish? Fashion, milk, and dish. Do you know what's different? Apa sih bedanya fashion, dish, and milk? Tadi yang dari video kan. What do you get? Okay. Oh, sorry. Still mute. Okay, so silakan dijawab.
Kalau kusin itu kayak makanan khasnya nggak sih, Miss?
Yes. Jadi kayak Chinese food, makanan Cina, makanan French, Spanish gitu ya. Jadi tipikal apa ya, gaya masak. Gaya masak is Chinese. So what about meal and dish? Is there somebody know what's different between meal and dish? Okay. Yes, it's Lina.
This is hidangan apa ya? Jumlahnya.
Oke, bagaimana? Tadi
So,
suaranya?
hidangan gitu ya. Kalau
Yes,
fusion kan itu hidangan khasnya, misalnya
hidangan khas, betul.
Jogja, spesial Jakarta gitu kan.
Nah,
Kalau di situ sajian hidangannya salah satu. A part of question ya.
ya kalau oke, thank you Sis Lina ya. Kalau meal itu adalah makanan yang sehari-hari kita makan, guys. As usually we eat in lunch or breakfast, ya. Nah, itu adalah meal. Tapi kalau dish, so what's the different dish? Dish. Oh ya, ada Sis Leila di sini. Something like cooking style, betul. Kalau dish something like heavy food, betul, right. Seperti contohnya makanan pokok lah intinya ya. Dish itu makanan pokok, contoh seperti rice, sesuatu yang berat ya. Rice or pasta or noodle. Nah, it's dish. Kalau meal something it's like food that we eat at different time, maybe. Yang mana yang chosen ya? Betul, yang choose. Chosen, how to answer it. Okay, so next, maybe I wanna choose some of you to answer this. For the first, I'd like to call Sis Aria. Sis Aria or bro ya? Sis or bro, hello, Sis Aria.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, I'm really sorry. How can I call you?
Arya. Yes, my name is Arya.
Arya,
Okay. You can call me Arya.
Okay. Bro Arya, anyway, can you cook Bro Arya?
Actually, yes, but no. Yes, but no.
Yes, but no. How it's
Actually,
the
yes,
meaning?
but I'm very lazy to cook.
Oh, but you're too lazy to cook, so it becomes no. Okay, so where come from, Bro Arya?
I'm come from Kediri, Jawa Timur.
Kediri.
Yes,
Yeah. Which part of
but
Kediri,
I
bro?
live in
Kedirinya mana?
Purwasri. Purwasri, yeah. But I live
Yeah,
now in East Kalimantan.
Okay.
That's
So
my
now
work.
you stayed in East Kalimantan.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe as far as you know about specific chosen you like, specific chosen you like in East Kalimantan maybe.
Yeah, in East Kalimantan.
Yeah.
In my place now is many Javanese cuisine. Yeah,
Oh
because
yeah.
it's lot of Japanese people in here.
Oh, isn't become worse?
Yeah, because
I mean,
this is
is
first
Borneo,
to
right?
go to transmigration.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Borneo. Yeah.
So
Family,
maybe
lot of yeah,
so you don't know the
Japanese people.
specific chosen in Kalimantan or in Borneo. So
Not yet
you
because
don't.
I live it. Yeah, I don't know because it was 2 months in here. I live in here.
Oh, okay. You
Yeah.
just stay there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's new one.
Okay, so thank you so much for Bro Arya for answering this last question, yes.
Oh, my pleasure.
Okay, so next, maybe I want to ask, Bro, sis Risma. Hello, sis Risma. Sis
Halo,
Risma.
Min.
Okay, sis Risma, can you put? Oh, I think, no. No, it's second question directly. Do you like any specific chosen? Do you like? You like?
Actually, I like Indonesian cuisines, but beside that, I also like Korean food.
Korean food?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like Korean?
Yeah.
Everything about Korea?
Sorry.
Do you like everything about Korea?
Actually not everything, but almost. I like
Oh,
Korean. I like
almost.
Korean music and also Korean food.
Okay. So, do you have any comfort food?
Actually, I like spicy food.
Spicy food? It's like rujak.
No, it's like sambal or yeah, something like that.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, thank you so much for answering my question, sis. Sis Risma.
Halo,
Hello. Sis Ais.
Miss. Ya.
Okay. So, let's continue for vocabularies, guys. After we discuss about vocabularies, let's continue to answer some question in a brutal way. So here we go. So the first is culinary ya, atau kuliner. Culinary, and then makanan. Makanan it's food. It's general food yang dimaksud di sini adalah makanan yang general ya. It can be meal, it can be dish, and it can be snack. Okay. Okay, so next, minuman can say beverages. Beverage awalnya ya, tapi kalau banyak beverages. And then hidangan, cushions, cushion ya, cushions. And then rasa, taste. Cita rasa, flavor. Oke, next. Nah, di sini ada tadi di video menjelaskan ya about the taste and texture. Kalau taste contohnya like salty, sweet, and then savory, bitter, and others. So kalau texture it's just like crunchy, or what else? Chewy or icy, ya. Dan masih banyak lagi. Or as like what is that? Crunchy, chewy, or we can say tender. Nah, itu adalah tekstur ya. So, let's discuss about this. Oh, family. Sorry, itu belum diganti kayaknya. Tell about your Tell me about your family. What's the best kind? Family-nya teman-teman anggaplah nggak ada ya. There are 4 questions that you have to discuss actually. It's only 4 questions. For the first, what is the best kind of flavor according to you? So, next, apa sih? Number 1, apa sih cita rasa yang paling terbaik yang teman-teman suka? Contohnya, it's spicy, atau maybe savory, atau bitter, or sweet, or anything else. Next, is eating spicy not healthy for us or unhealthy for us? Apakah makan makanan yang pedas itu tidak sehat bagi kita? And give your reason ya guys ya. 3, do you have any food allergies? Do you have any food allergies? Apakah teman-teman punya alergi makanan? And 4, what kind of cuisine can you find nearby your hometown? Hidangan apa yang bisa teman-teman temukan di dekat atau di sekitar kampung halamannya teman-teman? Ada Chinese food or Spanish or Italia? Okay, so try to ask one participant before we jump to the breakout room, guys. Or maybe is there someone to ask? Apakah ada yang mau bertanya tentang pertanyaan tersebut, pertanyaan yang akan kita diskusikan sebelumnya? Hello, no one? Okay.
I think it's clear enough, sis.
It's clear enough. Nice, yes. Maybe I want to ask one participant first, okay? Untuk sebagai pembuka pertanyaan ini. Oke, gimana cara menjawabnya, sis? What's the best kind of flavor? My best kind of flavor is, nah gitu ya sis ya. My best kind of flavor is, nah sebutkan rasa yang teman-teman suka dan kenapa pilih itu. The reason, kasih alasan why. And then, is eating spicy not healthy for us? Ya, bisa dijawab dengan in my opinion, boleh. Atau I think, ya aku pikir, I think spicy food is healthy food. Ya mungkin, atau healthy for us because, kasih alasan. Because, atau contoh, it's not, it's unhealthy because it makes us get bla bla bla, itu membuat kita mendapatkan penyakit apa, bla bla bla. Okay. Next, do you have any allergies? Ya, kalau ya, yes I do, no I don't. Kalau teman-teman punya ya sebutkan I get contoh sneezing ya. Jadi if I eat some bananas, I get sneezing. Jadi kalau saya makan pisang, saya bersin-bersin. Atau contoh if I eat seafood, I get itchy, gatel-gatel. Pasti gatel-gatel. Nah, itu contoh alerginya. Oh, mungkin I got dust allergy. Alergi debu ya. Okay. Next, for what kind of question can you find nearby your hometown? Contohnya, in nearby my hometown there is some Korean food, Korean cousin, or maybe Chinese cousin ya. Atau mungkin it's just on authentic cousin or in Indonesia food, Indonesian food. Okay. Now please tell to us. Gitu ya, itu cara jawabnya teman-teman. So let's discuss in a breakout room. There are 5 to 6, 5 sampai 6 participant every room. If Teman-teman kalau mau screenshot silakan di screenshot terlebih dahulu. Nah, di sana bisa share screen ya, teman-teman. Notification to join a breakout room, please.
Miss mau tanya, Miss.
Ya, boleh.
Kalau kecuali, misalnya, kecuali itu kita ngomongnya gimana ya? Do you have any food allergy?
Except,
Kecuali, except.
yes.
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, so is there not?
Yes, I think connection is.
Oh, your connection. Oh my God. But it's okay. Our breakout room session is done, so maybe I want to ask some of you for telling about the discussion. Halo, Sis Jenny, Bro Ihsan. Oh, kemarin ada Bro Izu nggak ada ya? Bro Abi, hello. And Bro Fahri, hai Bro Fahri.
Hello.
Hello, sis.
Hi, sis.
Hai, Sis Dok. Sis Rizky ya?
Aku belum mengubahnya.
Iya, saya manggilnya Sis Dok.
Excuse me, sis. I
Yes,
wanna ask
Abi.
about cuisine. How to
Then
pronounce it?
cousin, apa tadi?
Cuisine.
Cousin atau cousin?
Cousin.
Cousin.
Kalau dari video tadi cousin.
Cousin. Oh, cousin.
It's same
Okay.
as, sepupu, mirip.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I know.
Homosel, ya.
Iya ya.
Iya enggak? Sepupu
Iya.
apa?
Homophone.
Cousin.
It's like homophone, ya.
Ya, homophone.
Yeah.
Betul.
Cousin and cousin. Yeah, yeah,
Sama
yeah.
seperti kalau teman-teman tahu Bibi
Yeah.
sama semut tuh sama loh, guys.
Bibi sama apa? Sorry.
Semut.
Oh, yeah.
Semut an.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
It's like homophone.
Kalau Bibi auntie.
Ya,
Yeah.
tulisannya auntie.
An.
Yeah.
Tapi bacanya N.
Bacanya N. Oh.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, sis, I wanna ask about cuisine. It's like iconic food from our hometown, yeah.
Hometown.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hometown.
Jadi it's like specific food lah.
Oh, specific food.
Tapi itu gaya-gaya masak. Kalau di luar negeri kan Chinese food, Spanish dan lain-lain.
Yeah,
Tapi
yeah.
kalau di Indonesia kan there are many cities or there are many
Kayak ketoprak
tribes,
gitu,
right?
gitu ya.
Ya kayak masakan Padang,
Iya.
masakan apalagi biasanya ya. Sunda,
Betawi gitu-gitu ya.
Ya Betawi,
Okay,
Jogja.
okay. I get it. Okay, see. Thank you, sis.
Alright. Okay, so just now there is someone, a group ya, grupnya Sis Iin kalau nggak salah tanya, Sis, what's different between only and just? Ya, only and just. Only hanya. Kalau just?
Baru saja.
Hanya juga.
Hanya.
Bisa diartikan hanya, bisa diartikan baru saja. Biasanya just, I'm sorry Sis Civan. Okay, it's okay Sis Anamika. Oke, nah biasanya penggunaan only it's for singular ya guys ya. Singular noun. Bendanya cuma satu. Okay, so kalau just it's for, just itu biasanya peletakannya only sama just sama setelah subjek ya. Biasanya just di apa tadi kelas katanya adalah
Conjunction.
ya. Kalau only it's preposition. So Itu
The.
tadi. Dan biasanya kalau misalnya tadi contoh kalimatnya the only, tapi bacanya harusnya the only.
The only.
The only atau the opportunity, the range. Apalagi guys contohnya. Kenapa kok bacanya the, sis? Meskipun tulisannya the, karena pasti tahu nih. Ada yang beberapa. Why? Because it's
vokal.
ya, the sound is vowel atau vokal ya. Suara yang pertama yang keluar adalah vokal. Jadi pakai bacanya adalah the. Contoh
The
kayak
only.
selesai, the end, the opportunity. Tapi kalau yang university, nah itu pakai the apa the? University.
The.
Jadi ada yang tanya. The, betul sekali.
Uni.
Betul, suara soundnya ya, jangan teman-teman jangan fokus ke tulisannya tapi suaranya. The university, the university, the universe. So, any else? If you want to ask again, feel free to chat me ya, boleh teman-teman chat Sis Ella. Si bingung apa gitu boleh. Okay, so guys. I'm introvert tadi Sis Ella. Me too. It's okay, guys. Introvert or even here is introvert, ambivert, or maybe extrovert. Yeah, we are same here. Kita sama. Maybe untuk yang introvert mungkin agak lebih susah gitu ya untuk berbicara. Tapi you have to try it. Teman-teman harus mencoba itu. Kalau nggak dicoba nggak bisa-bisa. Okay? Okay, first thing, guys, don't forget to join our class tomorrow.
Okay.
So, because our time is up, let's close our class and see you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
Scott.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good night.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much. Good night. Good night all.
Bye.
See you.
See you.